Do you want to know how you can log into your 1xBet account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign into your 1xBet account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, then go to Google search bar and then search for 1xBet login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official site of 1xBet. To log into your account, what you need to do is click on login, which you can see over here on the top right hand corner. Now write down your email address. After you write down your email address, go ahead and write down your password. Then go ahead and check your password. After you check your password, you can as well click on remember and then click login. In a while, you can notice that you have now been logged into your account. I hope this video about how you can log into your 1xBet account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.